Hey, it's Corey Knight with Classroom Tech Made Simple, and I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in about 60 seconds. So if you don't know what a YouTube thumbnail is, it's just that little icon that you see when you're searching through YouTube. Now, I always try to stay away from creating YouTube thumbnails that are not related to my video. Sometimes you'll see some clickbait type of thumbnails that are really misleading and just are trying to get clicks from people. So I try to stay away from those. It's definitely a preference of mine. So we're going to use Canva for this. So if you don't know about Canva, it is a free graphic design software that you can use online, and it really is easy to use and simple. I encourage you to use it with your students, and I encourage you to use it on your own projects as well. Okay, so if you go to canva.com and just create your own username and password, and then you can log in. So go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so now that you have logged into Canva, you should have some sort of dashboard that's similar to this. You can see all of the different icons in YouTube, thumbnails that I have created, and different things that I've been working on. Like right down here, you can see that I made a collage for my family. Kind of cool. All right, so now that we're in here, let's make this in under 60 seconds. So you can go up here and use a template, or you can simply just click use your own custom dimensions. And that's where you're going to create your own dimensions for YouTube. And you're going to write in these dimensions. So it's 1920 by 1080. That's going to be your best pixels to show the best content and the best sharpness of your YouTube thumbnail. All right, so let's go ahead and create that YouTube thumbnail real quick here. You can either go by a layout, or you can just start adding elements here. So if you want to add text, just start clicking on text. You can add your heading real quick here. You can change the size of that really quick up here. You can move this around. If you want to change that background, you can change it, and you can see how it automatically changes the text color. Okay, so if you want to change the colors of that, go for it. But we're going to do this really quick and easy. Maybe you want to add a desktop computer to this for your image. You got to decide whether or not you want to create an illustration, or if you want to create just realistic photos. I always just kind of go with the illustrations. Okay, so if you want to add that, and then maybe you want to add and upload your own photos, you can just click the upload button here. So you can see right here, I'm just going to drag this over. There's my video, and literally any other type of shape. If I go over here to the elements section, shapes, lines, illustrations, whatever you want, you can simply just go there. If you want to add some icons, you click on the icons, and there's all kinds of different icons ready for you to use. You click on them, you resize them. Okay, you can change the colors of them once they're highlighted. And you can see right here, I'm going to change this color real quick here. We'll say this one's blue, and this one is light purple. There's my YouTube video thumbnail. It's super easy. When you're ready to download it, just simply go to download up here in the upper right-hand corner. And it's going to recommend you to go to PNG, but I'm going to suggest that you go to JPEG. You click download, and you're done. Now you can spend a lot more time on this to create a YouTube video title, but once you create one of them, you use that template and you can make a copy of it, and it makes it a lot easier and a lot quicker to start making those YouTube thumbnails. So you can see how clear and how sharp that image is. It's a large image, but when you upload it to YouTube, it's ready to go. If you like tips like this, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel so you can get tips like this sent directly to you. This is Corey Knight, and we'll see you next video.